However, the harshness of nature means that survival rates are very low. Only about 30% of cubs make it through the first 3 months of life. During the first weeks, the mother leopard moves constantly, changing shelters every 3 to 4 days to avoid detecting the scent of her cubs. Each move is a risky gamble, but it is necessary to ensure the safety of the cubs. The mother leopard is the sole pillar of the herd, not only protecting but also imparting essential survival skills.